Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Mansur. Today I want to present about cyber forensic assignment, which is assignment 2, about case 26. So we need to answer some kind of question here, and then they are provided some materials that we needed to solve this case. So let's go. So for the first step, we need to open the autopsy first. Autopsy. Let's click enter. Alright, when the autopsy is open, just click the new case and then just type case 26 and then this space directory, just click next. Alright, and then just create the directory. We put 26 and then just click finish. And it will take some time to create the new text index, so we need to wait for autopsy to finish the setup. Alright, just click for unallocated space image file, click next and then browse. Click for the scan 26 file, which is you need to extract from zip file. So this is the result when you extract the file. So you will get the scan 26 file. Just click open, then click next, and then just click next across all the default, and then click finish. Alright, and then click for the data source and click scan 26. So you will see it have one file and one folder, which is one is unallocated, and then for the file is CAR file. Just click for the CAR file. So in this file we will see they have two type of image, which is one is .jpeg and then one is .bmp. So click .jpeg and then you will see image they will show. They will give us some clue to it, and then click to BMP. It also same image but another edition at the image. So just click to the first image, click and then extract file. We need to extract at the specific folder, which is I need to be specific and just put it in assignment 2, and then I create a new folder, which is evidence. Click enter and then just save, click OK, and then also do the same technique, which is extract the file, just and then which is the same folder, click save. Alright, and then we go back to the this one is unallocated file. For this one it has some secret information that they have in this unallocated file. So you just need to scroll down until you find something suspicious, which is this one. This one is the password, which is we're going to need it, and then this one is the John Smith address, which is 1212 main address, Jones, Florida 0001. Alright, so that's the clue, and that's this password. Alright, so in order to get the information, we need to open the invisible secret to extract the image that we just extract. So just click continue trial. So in here you just click unhide file. So from here we just search for the which is where do you locate the file that you extract before this. So which is VKL semester 5 7.672 evidence, and then we click for the JPEG one, and then just click next. For this one, it requires the decryption key. So we get some information which is the police report, which is the FRWS file. So in order to get the password, we need to right click and then edit with notepad. So in here, so just click Ctrl F and then search for PW, which is the password for this one. So we get the first one, password is lefty. So you open back and then just type lefty. If you're not sure, you can view the password and just click next. Oh, I'm sorry, just select the decryption algorithm, which we use the Twofish technique decryption. So just click next. So here we get the document, which means John Doe. So click unhide to get the file, and then just click replace, and then we can explore the extract file. Just click, and then we get the John.doc. So we go back, or we go just click finish. So we need to do for the one that .bmp file. So just click the mp file, just click next. So we open the DFRWS file. You just find PW. So then the second password is sorry. So the second password is right. So we just type in right. The decryption algorithm is also Twofish. Just click next. So we get the Jimmy.wave. This is something suspicious or something valuable to us to know what is happened. So just click unhide, and then it will extract the file, and then you can get the file, which is this is the audio file. Alright. So we can open the john.doc file. Just double click on it. So it will ask for the password to open the file. So the password is have in the autopsy, which is here, have, and then we just can type have, and then just click OK. Just click yes. So here it is. So a lot of information in this document that we can get. So you can read, and then you can get anything evidence that we need in this case. Alright. Alright, for the first question that we need to answer is, who is the probable supplier of drug to Jimmy Jungle? Alright, so for this question, absolutely the supplier of drug to Jimmy Jungle is John Smith. Right. And for the next question, what is the mailing address of Jimmy Jungle probable drug supplier? Right, by running the string units command on the floppy disk image, okay, you can see that there is one mailing address stored in a random location, which is John Smith address, yes, and 1212 Main Street, Jones, Florida 0001. So this is the exactly mailing address of Jimmy Jungles that who are be a drug supplier. And then we go to the third question, what is the exact location which is Jimmy Jungle received the drugs? Alright, so for the location, we just go to the cup. Alright, so in here the Microsoft Word document mentioned, the Microsoft Word document mentioned that drugs are delivered by boat at Denny. So as we can see here, the statement that they are stated. Right, I was forced to turn away the delivery boat that arrived at Denny's because I didn't have the money to pay the driver. Right, so looking at the map in the JPEG file. Okay, we're looking at the JPEG file, which is this. We can see that Denny's located at Pier 12 on the shoreline dive, which is close to the intersection between shoreline and Main Street here. Alright, so this is the location where exactly Jimmy received the drugs. Alright, we go to the fourth question. Where is Jimmy Jungle currently hiding? Alright, so for answer this question, we need to open the BMP images. So as we can see, Jimmy Jungle is currently hiding on 22 Jones Avenue. It is near the intersection of Smith on the Jones Avenue, and Jimmy Jungle's hiding place is shown in the bitmap images. Yes, as we can see, the bitmap image to get the visual perspective of the original file. To understand that the bitmap file is the real file when it extract and contain the hidden Jimmy wave file. So here, when we open it, we can hear that they tell the exactly places. So for the fifth question, what kind of car is Jimmy Jungle driving? Alright, so for answer this question, you need to open the Jimmy web, which is when I cannot open it because some problem. But if you open it, you can hear that Jimmy Jungle, I researched Jimmy Jungle drive a blue 1978 Mustang with Ontario license plate, which is finding the HTML comment string with password, which is this one, just this one. When we find password for then, it is the and this is the password for the finding HTML comment string password right in the the FRWS to ORDSI allow you to extract the waveform file gmi.wave using Invisible Secret 2002 with the two-phase encryption algorithm selected when played. When we play, we can hear Jimmy directing the listener to meet him at the pier, which contain some sound like this. This is Jimmy, meet at the pier tomorrow. I drive a blue 1978 Mustang with Ontario license plates. So we go to the bonus question. Alright, we go to the bonus question here. So explain the process that was performed so that there were no entries in the root directory and file allocation table which is fed, yet the content of each file remained in the data area. So for the answer this question is the steganographic image file will copy to the diskette, right? Will copy to the diskette, okay? Then the diskette was then formatted through Windows or DOS using the format command with the quick format switch applied, right? And then test was performed on a PC running Windows 98 to compare with the forensic image, right? Then the result matched. When the result matched, the FAT and the root directory were empty, but the data area retained the original file. So this is the important thing, because it is remain the original file. The quick format option clear and reinitializes the FAT and the root directory while leaving the data area intact, thus quick formatted. Then for DOS the command is format space a double dot space /q. This may be done to a Windows as well. Right click the floppy drive object and choose format, which is quick format. Right, that's all from me. Thank you.